Welcome to part 3 of the tutorial on using TypeAbility 4, the foremost typing and computer tutor for the blind and visually impaired. Let's load TypeAbility. Press F.
Fun with TypeAbility. Enter TypeAbility dialog. Good afternoon and welcome to TypeAbility 4.
And we'll have Engelbert sign in.
ENGELBERT space Y. Enter. Well, hello Engelbert, it's cool to see you once again. Wow, I just saw you earlier today. Welcome back. Now, would you like to go to the last lesson that you were working on? It was lesson 19.
I'm David Pinto, the developer of TypeAbility, and in this third video tutorial, I'm going to finish showing you the different types of keyboarding lessons. Now, as you know, press F3 on your keyboard twice quickly to open up the keyboarding lesson list. Let's check out some lessons on capitalization.
Pick a lesson or task dialog. 32. Capital letters.
And the next lesson after that is
33. Capitalized words. Close.
Let's open it.
Open. 33.
And run the last task.
LOL. Enter. Lesson 33. Capitalized words. Okay, Engelbert, here's the final task in this lesson. Now type the keys capital L, capital O, capital L, and space. The capitalized letters LOL stand for laugh out loud. Go for L. No, use the left shift, not right shift with the L. L. That's it. Now type capital O. Oh yeah. L. Good. Space. Good. Again. Type capital L. L. O. L. Right. Space. O. L. Yeah. Oh yeah. L. Yeah. Space. L. Go. O. Right. L. That's it. Space. Bravo.
Now, let's check out navigation.
Pick a lesson or task dialog. 43. Home and page up/down. Open. 43.
This lesson includes more than navigation. It's basically the 6-pack, including tab and caps lock. Let's try the delete task.
Delete left arrow. Enter. Lesson 43, Task 5. Now type the keys delete, then left arrow. The delete key is the first key in the lower row of the 6-pack, the one at the left. The delete key is not a navigation key like page up and page down. Instead, delete will erase a letter. It erases the letter to the right of the typing cursor. Go ahead and type delete, then left arrow. Do it 4 times. Delete. No, use the delete from the midsection, not from the numpad. Delete. You got it. Now press the left arrow. Left arrow. No, use the left arrow from the midsection, not from the numpad. Left arrow. You got it. Again, type delete, then left arrow, delete, right, left arrow, delete, yeah, left arrow, delete, left arrow, so super da duper.
Okay, let's check out a game that uses navigation.
Pick a lesson or task dialog. 44. Navigating in the dialog. Open. 44.
Let's try the last task.
Tab to box 1 and type soda. Tab to box 2 and type watt. Enter. Lesson 44. Okay, Engelbert, here's the final task in this lesson. Now, this time you're going to type something in both box 1 and box 2. So, type the word soda in box 1 and the word water in box 2.
So we're learning to use tab and shift tab in dialogues.
Tab, box 1 edit, SODA. Tab, box 2 edit, DATER. Tab, OK button. Space, water. Wonderful.
And now let's run a game that uses the delete key and also the end key to go to the end of the line.
Pick a lesson or task dialog. 46. Game 6. Wrong letter. Press end. Find and delete it.
Let's open it up.
46.
And run the 7th task.
W. Why do I have to get up so early in the morning?
Press enter.
Enter. Game 6. Task 7. Alrighty, you know the deal. Delete the wrong letter. Go for it.
First of all, let's read the line with the up arrow.
Why do I have to get up so early in the morning?
Move to the end of the line with an end key.
End.
Back up with control left arrow.
Morning question mark.
And then right arrow to the wrong letter and delete it.
O-R-K. Deleted. K.
Now press enter.
Enter. Why do I have to get up so early in the morning? Fantastic. 100 points. Task 8. Well, in this sentence.
Okay, open up a lesson on selecting.
Escape. TypeAbility. Dialog close.
F3 twice.
Pick a lesson or task dialog. 48. Selecting text.
Press right arrow to look at the tasks.
Open. Level 2. Shift plus right arrow. Shift plus left arrow. Control plus shift plus right arrow. Control plus shift plus left arrow.
Notice all the tasks are selection hotkeys.
Shift plus down arrow. Shift plus up arrow. Shift plus N. Shift plus home. Shift plus page down. Shift plus page up. Control plus shift plus N. Control plus shift plus home.
All the major selection hotkeys are taught, and the next lesson is a game.
Level 1. 49. Game 8. Selecting and deleting words.
As well as the next lesson.
50. Game 9. More selecting and deleting words.
Let's open it up and run one of the tasks.
Open. Even though I was sneezing a big rush to get the sneezes. Enter. Game 9. Okay, Engelbert, here's the final task in this lesson. Once again, select the bad words in this sentence and then delete them. Go for it.
So, let's read the top line.
Even though I was sneezing a big rush to get to sneeze school, my mother told me to drink sneeze my orange wheeze juice and
one more down arrow.
eat sneeze my eggs.
Well, it looks like sneeze is the wrong word, so let's start deleting sneeze. We'll use Control right arrow to move to the wrong word, and Control Shift right arrow to select the wrong word, and then press the delete key.
Even though I was sneeze.
Select it.
Sneeze selected.
Delete it.
Delete deleted. Sneeze. A big rush to get to sneeze. Sneeze select delete deleted. Sneeze. My mother told me to drink sneeze. Sneeze, select, delete, deleted, orange, wheeze, selected, delete, and eat, sneeze, so delete, deleted, sneeze.
Now let's read it. Up arrow.
Even though I was in a big rush to get to school, my mother told me to drink my orange juice and eat my eggs.
That's it. Press enter.
Enter.
Okay, now the lessons on typing numbers.
Pick a lesson or task dialog. 5:55. Numbers from the number row, left-hand numbers.
Typing numbers in the number row in the main section of the keyboard is always a challenge. It's human nature to keep the fingers up on the number row and to find the numbers by counting from the left. But the typeability lessons on the number row reinforce the correct way of finding the numbers. Namely, always reference the number keys to the letter row below. Let's take a look at the tasks in this lesson.
Open 55. Level 2. Q1P 1 of 20.
You see how the 1 is related to the Q.
W2O 2 of 20.
And the W is related to the 2.
Q1W2E3R4T5.
There's an example of how 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, all in the left hand, are related to the correct letter below. Now let's take a look at the next lesson.
56. Numbers from the number row, right-hand numbers.
Let's open it up and look at the tasks.
Open. Level 2. Y6 1 of 20.
Again, in this lesson, all the numbers are related to the corresponding letter key below. Let's close this lesson and look at the next lesson.
57. Numbers, becoming an expert.
Opening it up with the right arrow.
Open. 57. E3I8.
Again, take a look at that. Now you have both hands doing numbers and relating them to the letter below. Let's close this.
Closed. 57.
Now, TypeAbility also teaches using the numpad for numeric entry. Let's move to that.
And 98. Num lock on. Typing numbers with num lock on.
Let's open it up.
Open.
And run the fourth task.
Numpad 0, 1, 2, 3, then numpad enter. Enter. Lesson 98, task 4. Alrighty then, Engelbert, now type the keys numpad 0, numpad 1, numpad 2, numpad 3, then numpad enter. Numpad 0 is the same key as the JAWS key. Press it with your thumb. The num lock key is not on. You must turn it on in order to run this lesson. Num lock on. 0, good. 2, no. Type 1. 2, not quite, Engelbert. Type 1. 1, now you're cooking. 2, that's it. 3, that's it. Enter. Nice. Again. Type 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Enter. Good. Again. 0, 1, 2, 3. Enter. You're on the roll. 0, 4, 2, 3. Enter. Bingo. Now type the keys 1, 0, 0. Then numpad enter. Type the number 100. Then press enter. Do it 4 times. 1, 0, 0. Enter. Well done.
So TypeAbility teaches both the number row in the main section and the numbers from the numpad. Okay, let's look at punctuation. TypeAbility teaches all the punctuation marks. It even has a punctuation game.
Pick a lesson or task dialog. The 93. Game 15. Punctuation.
Let's display the tasks. Right arrow.
93. Game 15.
And let's run the third task.
My friend said, I'd like to go to the beach. Enter. Game 15. Task 3. Okay, in this task you will be replacing all the question marks with quotation marks. So use Ctrl+A to select the entire sentence in box 1. Copy the selection and then move to box 2 and paste it. Replace the question marks with quotes. Then press enter. Go for it.
Okay. Select all the text in box 1.
Selected all text in edit field. Copy selected text to clipboard. Tab, box 2 edit. Paste it from clipboard.
And now we're going to replace all question marks with quote marks.
My friend said, said comma. Question mark I'd. Deleted question quote. like, to, go, to, the, speech period question mark, EACH period, question, deleted question, quote, replied comma, question mark I'm, deleted question, quote, up, 4, an exclamation mark question mark, T, exclaim question, delete, quote.
So you can see we're combining lots of things, working in a dialogue, copying and pasting, deleting, and of course, punctuation.
Enter. That's just great. 100 points. Task 4.
Now let's escape from this game.
Escape. TypeAbility.
And let's take a brief look at additional lessons on working in dialogues.
Pick a lesson or task dialog. 1. 6. 63. Making settings in a dialog. List boxes. 64. Making settings in a dialog. Radio buttons. 65. Making settings in a dialog. Check boxes.
Let's take a look at list boxes.
63. Making settings in a dialog. List boxes closed.
Let's look at the tasks.
Open. 63.
And let's run the last task.
Set year, month, day, and countries. Enter. Lesson 63. Okay, Engelbert, this time you are going to make 4 settings. Set the birth year to 1940, the birth month to May, the birthday to 31, and the country to New Zealand.
Now this lesson is all about list boxes, but you can see in this dialog there's radio buttons, check boxes, edit fields, and buttons. So let's tab to the birth year combo box.
Tab, print button, tab, save button, tab, OK button, tab, cancel button, tab, birth year combo box.
And in earlier tasks, one learned that you can go through the list with the arrows.
1901, 1902, 1903.
Or the page down keys.
Page down, 1910, page down, 1917.
Or the end key.
End, 2011.
And the home key.
Home, 1901.
So let's get to 1940 with the page down and the arrow keys.
Page down, page down, page down, page down, page down, 1936, 1940.
Now tab to the month combo box.
Tab, birth month combo box.
We're going to set it to May, and I learned in earlier tasks, I can just press the letter.
M, March, M, May, tab, birthday combo box.
Now it's 31, so I can just press the N key.
N, 31.
And now I'll just press Enter.
Enter. Let's try that again. You got 3 settings right, but you didn't make a birth country setting.
Oops. Can't get away with anything, can I? Well, let's escape from this lesson.
Escape. TypeAbility.
Now the final lessons to look at in this whirlwind tour are the lessons on using the numpad.
Pick a lesson or task dialog. 94. The numpad keys, part 1.
Let's open that and see what's in it.
Level 2. Num lock, num slash, num star, num minus, num plus, num delete, and enter. 6 of 6.
And the next lesson?
Level 1. 95. The numpad keys, part 2. Open. Level 2. Numpad home, numpad end. 2 of 15.
And there's 15 more combinations there. Now lesson 96.
96. The JAWS key, part 1. JAWS key plus another numpad key. Open. Level 2. Prior word, JAWS key plus numpad left arrow. Next word, JAWS key plus numpad right arrow.
Aha, now we're getting into all the JAWS keys for reading text.
Say line, JAWS key plus numpad up arrow. 3 of 9.
Lesson 97.
97. The JAWS key, part 2. JAWS key plus another numpad key. Open. Level 2. Root PC cursor to JAWS cursor. Root JAWS to PC cursor. Lock right mouse button. Lock left mouse button.
So this lesson is all about the mouse. And as we saw earlier in this tutorial,
98. Num lock on. Typing numbers with num lock on.
is all about typing numbers with a numpad.
Escape. Dialog closed.
And this is the end of the tutorial, part 3.